As a young girl, my mother told me a story about a woman who managed to escape the SIMMELE massacre that one of our speakers talked about. She was young, perhaps my age, with her infant son was with her, and his name was Yohanna. The woman joined a group of fleeing Assyrians who were traveling by boat, leaving the country. The child made the journey difficult as he put everyone at risk while he was crying. And he was restless and continued crying throughout the whole journey. Eventually, the others offered her an ultimatum. She was either to leave her child behind or get off the boat. It was as simple as that. And of course, she refused to leave her son and chose instead to leave the group. She traveled alone on foot to neighboring Syria, where she would later resettle. And the baby that she carried was actually my grandfather, who is here with us tonight. And very literally, without her bravery, I would not be standing here. So I thank her.